Good morning, you all. I am Tarkeshwar Pandey and I hope you all are fine. Once again, I welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel TNERC. Today, we are going to learn about some mathematics special questions related to smallest in mathematics. Are you ready? Okay, so this is the first question on your screen. Which is the smallest whole number? Once again, I want to repeat this question. Which is the smallest whole number? The correct answer of this question is 0. Yes, the correct answer is 0. Now question number 2. Which is the smallest natural number? Once again, I want to repeat this question. Which is the smallest natural number? The correct answer of this question is 1. The correct answer is 1. Now question number 3. Which is the smallest prime number? Once again, which is the smallest prime number? The correct answer of this question is 2. Yes, the correct answer is 2. Now question number 4. Which is the smallest odd prime number? Once again, I want to repeat. Which is the smallest odd prime number? Your correct answer is 3. 3 is the correct answer of this question. Now question number 5. Which is the smallest prime number of 2 digits? Once again, which is the smallest prime number of 2 digits? The correct answer of this question is 11. Yes, 11 is the correct answer. Now question number 6. Which is the smallest prime number of 3 digits? Once again, I want to repeat this question. Which is the smallest prime number of 3 digits? The correct answer is 101. Yes, this is the correct answer. 101. Now question number 7. Which is the smallest composite number? Once again, I want to repeat this question. Which is the smallest composite number? The correct answer of this question is 4. Yes, 4 is the correct answer. Now question number 8. Which is the smallest integer of 1 digit? Once again, which is the smallest integer of 1 digit? The correct answer of this question is -9. Yes, the correct answer is -9. Now question number 9. Which is the smallest integer of 2 digits? Once again, which is the smallest integer of 2 digits? The correct answer of this question is -99. Now know about question number 10. Which is the smallest integer of 3 digits? Once again, I want to repeat this question. Which is the smallest integer of 3 digits? The correct answer of this question is -999. Once again, -999 is correct answer. Now question number 11. Which is the smallest factor of any number? Once again, which is the smallest factor of any number? The correct answer of this question is 1. 1 is the smallest factor of any number. Now question number 12. Which is the smallest even prime number? Once again, which is the smallest even prime number? The correct answer of this question is 2. Yes, 2 is the correct answer. Now question number 13. Which is the smallest 1-digit number? This is the most famous question. Which is the smallest 1-digit number? The correct answer of this question is 1 in a natural number, 0 in whole number, and -9 in integer. Once again, the correct answer of this question is 1 in natural number, 0 in whole number, and -9 in integers. Now question number 14. Which is the smallest number of 2 digits? Once again, which is the smallest number of 2 digits? The correct answer of this question is 10. 10 is the smallest number of 2 digits. Now question number 15. Which is the smallest perfect number? Once again, I want to repeat this question. Which is the smallest perfect number? The correct answer of this question is 6. 6 is the smallest perfect number. Now question number 16. Which is the smallest multiple of a number? Once again, which is the smallest multiple of a number? The correct answer is the number itself. Once again, I want to repeat the correct answer. The number itself. Now question number 17. Which is the smallest number of 3 digits? Once again, I want to repeat this question. Which is the smallest number of 3 digits? The correct answer of this question is 100. Yes, 100 is the correct answer. That's all for today. We will meet shortly in the next video, and the heading of the next video is largest in mathematics. So, if you want to know about largest in mathematics, then please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon so you can get more updates about this channel.